Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming basics. Make sure your Android TV OS and YouTube app are up to date and that your network is stable. Next, power cycle the TV, unplug for 30 seconds to clear transient faults. Once done, go into Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow YouTube, and clear cache. This removes corrupted temporary files causing black frames. If prompted, force stop the app before clearing cache so the process completes cleanly. These first steps remove simple software glitches fast. If clearing cache didn't help, uninstall YouTube updates or reinstall the app to reset its installation. Once done, verify the network. Switch to wired Ethernet or reboot the router, and test YouTube on another phone or laptop to rule out account or network issues. Meanwhile, inspect HDMI connections. Sometimes the black screen relates to handshake failures. Swap to a different HDMI port or cable to test. These combined app and network steps pinpoint whether the problem is local to TV, network, or content delivery. To finish, verify results. Open YouTube, sign out and back in, then play a low-resolution 720p video to confirm playback and gradually increase quality. If issues persist, consider a factory reset as a last resort. Backup settings and accounts first, because this erases data. One key troubleshooting tip: test a different YouTube account or device. If that works, the issue is likely account-related. If nothing fixes it, contact your TV manufacturer or YouTube support with logs and device model details.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.